Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I have 3 simple home decor ideas that you can do using some old items that you have sitting around. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. For the first idea, I'll be using those old tumblers from an old project and those fish bowls. And to put them together, I'll be using some fixer adhesive as well as some hot glue. If you're here for the first time, it is so great to have you here. I invite you to stay around and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. I then took them outside to spray paint them with this gold metallic Rust-Oleum paint. Once that was dry, I took some acrylic gems and I'll go ahead and add them all around where the 2 pieces meet. And voila, such a beautiful piece. For the second idea, I'll be using 2 types of candle holders that I'll go ahead and glue together like so, still using some fixer adhesive as well as some hot glue. I already love the gold of the candle holders, so next I'll go ahead and use those black trim jewelry borders to decorate them. For the third idea, I'll be using 2 of those tall vases that I got from Dollar Tree and those smaller doorknobs. Using some hot glue, I'll go ahead and add 5 knobs on the side of each of the vase. Once done, I took them outside and I'll spray paint them with this black Rust-Oleum paint. And just like that, we have 3 brand new ideas that we can definitely use to make home decor DIY projects and decorate our house with. Tips of the day: just keep in mind that when decorating your home, you do not have to go spend so much money on buying expensive items, but rather you can definitely reuse or repurpose some of old items or old furniture that you may have laying around. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and that you're willing to try at least one of those ideas. If so, go ahead, comment down below which one is your favorite and you're willing to try. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.